Good morning guys, this is Dancing Pillow Mama. Ngayon guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Coolangatta Beach. Ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Tita Yeng, girlfriend Yeng, at ang asawa niya si Doug. Ngayon guys, nandito, tingnan mo ngayon guys. Naghahantay kasi kami ngayon kay girlfriend Carol mag-lunch ng George Paragon Restaurant. So, while naghahantay kami, nagpunta ako ngayon sa beach kasi summer na at hindi pa ako nakabili ng bikini. Kaya yan lang muna ang aking damit at nag-enjoy talaga ako sa aking pag picture sa beach na yan at feeling ko ay ako ay bata. Nakita niyo naman guys kung gaano ako ka-enjoy dyan at ang ganda-ganda talaga ng araw na yun dahil hindi mainit, yung tama lang at ang simoy ng hangin at ang aking pakiramdam guys na nawawala yung depression ko dahil wala ang mga toxic na tao.
We are in Coolangatta, the north side of Coolangatta, and you can see in the background is Surfers Paradise. All those buildings are surfers. It's on the left hand side is the Burley. It's a beautiful day today, and actually we can go right on the rocks there, but it's a bit too windy. We might get blown up. But as you can see, the sun is beautiful, the water is beautiful, and now we are, you're gonna see the Freetown beach. That's the, on top of it is the Freetown Resort, accommodation if you want to stay there. And then the rest is just all sorts of buildings. It's all along the Coolangatta Strip, along the water. It's called the Marine Parade. The street is called Marine Parade, and there you can see the lifeguard. During summer, this is full of kids. And there you can see the Coolangatta Surf Life Sailing Club. Girlfriends will take us for lunch there today. Yeah!
So guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda dyan, oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan ang tinatawag na Marine Parade, Coolangatta. Marine Parade, Coolangatta. Yan. Tingnan mo yung ano. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang Boss Turkey. Ayan. What's he doing? Oh.
This is how bush turkey build their nest. They are building a nest.
Oh. So, ito yung ano, wok. Ito yung wok pot, no?
Oo.
And that's another Boss Turkey. Yeah. And look at that, guys. Ang ganda. Oh, di ba guys? Ang ganda, oh. This is the lizard. Look at the big lizard, guys. Ooh. So another one, but it's only a small one. So ano ba yun? Hindi ba to tatakbo sa akin?
How do you call those people? Sorry? How do you call those? Water dragons. Water dragons. They're called water dragons.
Ah, okay. So guys, ang dami dito, oh. Ayan. Ha? Ang dami dito. Ay, oo. Look at this one, guys. This is another water dragon, but I'm so scared. So, tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kaganda ang tubig. Napaka-blue. Tingnan nyo. Iba ang ganda-ganda. Nakakawala talaga ng stress. Naglalakad-lakad kami guys bago mag-lunch. Mayroon pa pala doon, oh. Mayroon doon paakyat. Ano pangalan dito?
Rainbow.
Ha?
Rainbow Beach.
Ah, ito yung Rainbow Beach?
Pero part pa rin ito ng Green Mount.
Ah.
Pero yung susunod na Rainbow Beach na yun.
So guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang dami nila, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, oh guys, oh yan, oh. Hala, ay. Oh. Ayan, oh. Hala, hala, hala. Nakakatakot. Oh. Hala, 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 hala. Hala, hala, hala. Baka talunan ako. Hala, 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 ang laki, oh. Doon, oh, ang laki. Oh. Uy, uy. Uy, uy. Sus ko, Ginoo ko. Hala, hala. Hala, hala, hala. Hala, 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 oh. Oh. Ah, bakit? Anong nangyari doon? Ba't nag-away? Tapos mayroon pa dito guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan pa siya, oh. Nakakatakot. Ang dami nila. Nag-aaway pa sila. Ayun pa, oh. Grabe, oh. Ang dami nila, oh. Tapos, ayan pa guys, nagkalat dito, oh.
Ito. Pregnant. I think she's pregnant. Laki ng tiyan.
Ay, oo.
She's pregnant.
Ayan, oh. Ayan, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Ay, girlfriend. Ayan, hala, oh. Sus, tingnan nyo to, guys. Oh. Oh. Nanonood. Ala, 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 ala. Nanonood sila sa ano, sa dagat. Nandoon pa, guys, oh. Tira mo, oh, nandoon siya sa ano. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Oh. Ang dami-dami talaga. So na, guys, ang aming hinahantay dumating na rin at papunta na kami sa George. So guys, good afternoon, good afternoon. Nandito na kami ngayon sa George Paragon. Pasensya na ang mukha ko ay galing kami kasi, guys, sa beach, kaya ganito. So nandito kami ngayon, guys, sa George Paragon. Diyan si ano, ayan sila, si girlfriend and her husband. And of course, nagkukwento na siya about sa holiday niya. Tapos yung mga ayun ang mga kumakain sa George Paragon, Coolangatta, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa social na restaurant.
Means to pick us up in the
These are my glass.
You're not in Europe.
I have another one.
That's only. No, just order a glass of Wira. Yeah.
Yan malaki
Kasi
talaga.
akala niya nasa Europe siya. Sa Europe kasi may mga carafe, di ba?
Oo, sarap. Oo.
Yes, please.
Greece yun.
Do you
Anong part?
want some F1 there or not?
I think we were in Mykonos.
Mykonos.
Yung by the water na rin. Mykonos yun.
So guys, ito na yung aming lunch.
In a glass.
So this is, what is this? What's this one?
Seafood marinara.
Seafood marinara. And of course, our waiter, he's a very handsome. What's your name?
Sonny.
Sunnek.
Sonny. Nice to meet you.
Same to you.
Excuse me. Excuse
And,
me.
and that's one.
Tartar sauce.
And hindi tartar sauce yun. Parmesan yun.
Yeah, and that's the I forgot.
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad. And that's barotti over there.
You're welcome.
And this is the bugs.
Excuse me, can I have one too?
And of course, my girlfriend. Lalong gumaganda, galing ng Europe.
You're welcome.
Thank you.